If you're not making $300 per day using free AI tools, you need to stop doing whatever you were doing and watch this video till the end to know everything about it.
Have a look at this. If you now just go to Fiverr.com, you'll now see a whole new section of brand new categories that only deals with AI services. These services include tasks as simple as simply creating a ChatGPT account for other people and charge $5 for it.
So even if you feel like you do not have any skill whatsoever, you just know how to use the internet, trust me, this video is going to help you earn over $300 per day, and I'm not even kidding.
Okay, so by now you have a basic idea about how you can list yourself as a seller in various freelance workplaces such as Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, etc. But what services are you going to offer? Have a look at this example. This guy says he'll turn your low resolution photo into high resolution for $15. It looks like a pretty reasonable job for this money. But what all he's doing is just going to replicate Codeformer and upload your low resolution photo and then simply download the upscale version of it. It takes him a minute to earn $15 and he's virtually doing it for free. Not only this one, there is an app called Cutout Pro where you can turn people's normal photos into formal ones with just a few clicks. Thus, you can list yourself as a Photoshop expert who turns people informal photos into formal ones maybe just for $5.
So by now you have a basic idea about how you can make money using free AI services.
But you might be wondering, this might be just too competitive as it is too easy to do. Then let me tell you, there are over 300 AI apps right now in the market, and trust me, not a lot of people have any idea about them. You just have to find a niche and perfect your skills according to that. And for this video, I'm gonna give you some real useful ideas that you can learn today and start earning by tomorrow.
This trick will make you earn over $15 per order with just a few clicks.
Just go to any freelance website and list yourself as a freelance audio effects expert. People will give you their noisy, low quality audio and you will remove all the noise and turn that audio into a crisp, sharp one simply by uploading to this website. In fact, the audio you are listening right now is enhanced from the same website, so you already know it's totally worth it.
Now you can earn up to $100 as a voiceover artist even if you feel you have the worst voice in the world.
Just go to Resemble.ai and record these few lines. Once you submit the audio, the website will copy your voice. And after that, you can just put text in the website and the website will speak naturally in your voice, no fumble, no retake. This natural audio you're listening right now is created by AI. I did not speak a single word.
Just go to Resemble and record these few lines. Once you submit the audio, the website will just copy your voice. And after that, you can just put the text in this website and the website will speak it naturally in your voice. No fumble, no retake. This natural audio, you're listed.
What if I told you that you can create custom websites for clients with just a few clicks and sell them for hundreds of dollars in marketplaces?
Just go to this website and fill up a little information. Once done, you'll have a nicely animated website up and running. Now to sell it, simply copy the URL and clone it using any website cloner. Now you have the projects file that you can sell as a template or create a dedicated website for your clients as well. People nowadays are making hundreds of dollars per day by building AI models for research. And you could do that too even if you're not a very good programmer. List yourself as an AI model programmer who will program models for the researchers. And all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to do what your client is asking you to do. And this way you can create unique codes for your clients absolutely for free.
List yourself as an AI artist and earn up to $10 to $15 per order, basically doing nothing.
I think most of the people watching this video have at least heard about Midjourney. If you have already done a little bit of experiment with Midjourney, you would know that what kind of specific commands are required to create a specific image. So now you can list yourself as an expert AI artist who will create AI images for other people who doesn't exactly know how to use the commands. Logo designing has been one of the highest ranked freelancing jobs in the market, and with the help of AI, you can create them in minutes. Just go to this website and fill up a few informations, and you'll have hundreds of logos generated for you absolutely for free, and you can sell them for $5 to $100 according to your client.
Now, these are a few good examples of how you can list yourself in different marketplaces and start earning money right from today. But you may feel like these tasks are too easy to do and everyone knows how to do them. But just remember one thing, your knowledge is your price. If people can make money by simply creating ChatGPT accounts, trust me buddy, you can do much better.